Good Monday morning. It is 9:15 a.m. It's about 35 degrees. I'm not sure how much sun we'll have today, but I'm hoping for some. It was a little brighter this morning. It's clouded up. Sun's still trying to pop through the clouds. So hopefully we'll dry the soil up so we get some stuff done out here. Well, here me and Sally are headed down to the barn. It's not too bad of a day. It's a little bit chilly. At least it's not raining. Well, we got 2 cracked eggs here from the house. Yeah, I don't see if the cracks are, but anyway. So, one we're going to try to feed. Penelope, don't bite me. That's good stuff, huh? Yeah, I think I'll give the other one a Harold. Uh-oh. Yicky. Alright, Harold. Let's see. You want an egg? You want an egg? You got here. There we go. Got it. Didn't bite me. Well, I got the chickens fed, and they only give me 4 eggs. I cleaned out some of the boxes they were laying eggs in. A lot of sticky stuff. Whew. Harold's over here sharing his grain with the piglets. One of the piglets came back over here to eat with Petunia. The other one was already here. Penelope's happy with her alfalfa. The boar and the babies are still over eating the grain. Well, it's getting to the end of the day. Not much more I can do out here. I'll bring these goats in a little bit. I thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening. Honey's home.